Hi, beautiful people. I hope you are all okay. In this video, we will learn about the AI code editor, which name is Cursor, and everybody know about the Cursor. And a lot of rumors are coming here that the Cursor will take the coder's job. No, not exactly. It will not happen, and it cannot be happen because the developers cannot be replaced. But of course, one thing will be happen that the poor developer will be replaced by the experienced developer. So this can be happen, and the coding will be faster, and it will help the developer as well. So in this video, we will talk about the cursor and how it works, and we will learn that how can we use it and how we can make our coding process faster. Okay, so you can visit their website. I will mention the link, or you can copy it as well. Okay, and this is how you can read everything. So first of all, what you have to do. You have to download the cursor. Sorry. So you have to download the cursor from here, and after that, you just need to install. The good thing about cursor is that it same look like the VS Code, and in fact, it is a fork of VS Code. So that's why whenever somebody will open it, so it will not look giant for him. So okay, so let's jump into our code and let's see that what exactly it will be do. Okay, I have just opened my simple application. I will just show you. Okay, this is the plain React application I have created, and in this video we will learn that how we will create a to-do list. It is a simple list, but let's see how the code editor will make it. Okay, uh, so I will just show you that how it look like. Okay, so this is the cursor code editor, which exactly look like the VS Code, but it has some AI functionalities. We will learn how we can use it. Furthermore, I just let you know that it have the main three kind of commands which we are working, and these are, I just let you know that for one is the composer. It is used for creating uh, the bigger task, and in this composer that we can create a bunch of code, bunch of design, and a lot of planning. It will be do automatically in this cursor. So let's use our first functionality, which is the composer. So we will click on control plus an I, and you can see that this composer has been opened here. We will learn that how exactly it will be done. Okay, so how we can use it? First of all, we just need to understand this. So we have this button like add context. We can add the files, we can add the folders, we can add the database, everything we can add it here. So suppose I have to train this model, because first of all we have this home page we have here. So what exactly we want? We will say okay, add this home page so that he understand, and what more we know, we can add our app days file. So it needs these two, and we will say please remove all existing code, and I want to create a simple to do list, and we can add that make sure you use you create to do list in separate file and import it. I say assign uh, assign a new route to it. Okay, and for example, if we want to add a more reference of file, like for example, if I will say that add styles in suppose if we want to add styles in app.css, so we will add the at the rate, and we have these options here: a file, folder, code, notepad, whatever, and web as well. So in this here, we will go for file, and we will add uh, app.css, app style in file, and after that we will submit. Let's see. So in the composer, it can create and generate multiple files, and it can do the planning. It remember what he have done in the past, and he can do everything according to the prompts. So it have added these designs, so we can read this, and okay. So it is saying that what it has been added. It is not saved yet. So suppose let's accept all. Okay, it is accepted all. Let's see what he have done. Okay, in the main page he just created the to-do list. We can see that. Okay, yes, he have created the to-do list. Okay, delete to do, and the toggle to do, set to do, which looks fine. And let's see in the browser. Oh, that's great. Let's add something. My cursor task. Okay, great. New task. And okay, great. It is completing as well. Okay, so this has been done. Let's delete it. Okay, we can delete it as well. We will say that, okay, improve the design and make a modern design. Okay, let's see what it is going to do. Okay, and we will accept it. Oh, that is super, super cool. Now check it. That is great. It has some uh, animation as well. Okay, so it is not going to, we cannot see the text. Okay, this is the right way that how we can fix this. So we will close this, and we will jump into the new feature, which is smaller than this, uh, because as we know that we do not have uh, the text is not visible, and we will just select this, and we will press Control and K, and we can add anything we want. So we will come here, and we will add, suppose text is not visible because background is white, so make it visible. Okay, so it is say that the light gray, it is a, we can accept this, and let's use this. So Control K is for the uh, uh, small piece of code. We can generate small piece of code, and we can change the small piece of code as well. We can select it, so it is a bit more visible. We can change the color as well. One more thing, we have an other feature which is called the chat, and we will press Control L, and here uh, uh, we can add the changes in single file. So the composer is a bigger one, and the chat is small feature. So we can, for example, uh, we do not have the edit feature right now. So we will add a edit feature as well for the to-do list, and we will click on it and let's see what's going on. It have written a lot of code. We will go and apply, and we have to accept this. And let's see, task 1, task 2, and if we want to edit this task, okay, so it is not the visible as well. So I suggest we will add it here. Text fields are text is not visible in text fields, so it make text a bit darker. Okay, same like this we can add multiple prompts and we can change whatever we want. Okay, it is asking for apply, and here we can apply the code. Okay, all done. Okay, now it is visible. Let's say 4. Okay, so now it is 4. So same like this we can add multiple things. uh, we can improve our application as much as we want. Okay, we will jump into a new thing. Let's undo this everything. I will show you another use that why this feature is so powerful. Okay, so everything is undone here. Sorry. So let's see the web search. Login email, login form, let's say, and we can see that any pages. Okay, this looks fine, and we will add this image in our cursor, and we will ask him to create a login page same like this. Okay, it is loading for this time. Why it's not loading? Maybe the internet speed. Maybe this is quite more HD, but after all, we can copy the link, copy copy image address. We will back here. We will come into our composer. We will delete these files. One more thing we have to add. For example, if we want to add the full code base, we can add also. So we will add the uh, code base same like this, and here we will say that please create a login page in this application same like. We will say add web, and we will add this image here. We will add our enhance our prompt more. Must save, and it must be added into routes and create separate. Okay, let's see that what exactly we will get. Okay, it is saying that it is reading about these files. Now we know that where our file exists. Okay, what it's doing. Let's see if we have anything here. Okay, what it is asking. Okay, this page is not exist because we have deleted them. It looks it must work. Okay, it is it is quite same, but it is not. But after all, if we will know about this, so it is quite like same, but we can update it a bit more with our prompts. We say, please make it full width form in mm, login page. Okay, let's accept all and see. Hmm, I think we have to actually, there is a drawback also that when we create things with this model, we actually don't know what's going on in our code. So it is a drawback, and when we have to add some small changes, and then we are still blind. But of course, uh, we should use it with the open eyes. Okay, let's see what's going on. Okay, this is the root and max width. Okay, let me fix this. So I have just go into the code and I have deleted some of the code that was the old code, but I have deleted this because it was fixing the length here, and after that it is done. One more thing that it also give us some suggestion of code that what we can do, that okay, like this we will press tab, and if we need this and like this is giving the suggestion. Actually, this suggestion is given by the cursor in everywhere, wherever we want, and it is quite smart that it understand what exactly we need this. So if we will come here, like it is giving you some of the code. So this is quite fast and quite great for us. So this is the login page has been created. It does not look exactly the same, but I think I have given some wrong page here, or maybe it is not loaded perfectly. I think it draw this page, unfortunately. I hope you have understand this and that how it work. So I will repeat it again, that if we have to create some new page and anywhere like here, so we will press Control K and we can add anything we want, or we can change it here. For example, if I want to change the text here, we will come here and K and hit change the text. Okay, and then it has changed. We can accept that. Okay, fine. uh, and the other function is that if we want to like create changes in this file, so we can select this file and we will press Control L, and after that we can make changes here. And if we have to create some modules level information, or we are starting some application, so we will press Control plus I, and then we will open the composer. We can add multiple files, web resources, documentation, anything, and after that we can create this. One more thing we have to add, I just let you know that let's close these files. We will press this one and cursor settings. For example, if we have predefined rules, if we want to add, so we can add it here. suppose which version of React we are using, or which version of Material UI we are using, which kind of icons we are using. So we can add our rules here. And if it looking difficult for you, so it gives us if, an option that we can create a cursor rules dot file. So what exactly we will do, we will create a file here, cursor rules, and here we can add our rules whatever we want. So we can add the documentation here. So whenever we are working with this cursor, so it will get the rules from here, and then it will generate the code. So I hope you liked the video of today, and if you really did, so you can support me to subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for visiting. Bye.